Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. A huge welcome to my subscribers. I see you and I appreciate you. If you also want to be part of the family, please do subscribe to the channel. Okay, so today I'll be showing you guys how to use the FNB website in order to withdraw to a non-FNB account, South African account. So if you're getting money via PayPal, I'll show you how to withdraw that money from your PayPal via the FNB to your actual account that is non-FNB. Obviously, this is assuming that you have created an FNB online profile and you have linked your PayPal to your FNB. So in order to begin, you will obviously have to log into your FNB account or profile rather. So let's just log in. Okay, so once you have logged in, you'll be able to see your profile, and then from here you need to select Forex. Once you've selected Forex, you then click on PayPal services. And then you will have to go to this these three lines here on the left, and you click on it and you will select withdraw from PayPal. Okay, so I have $3 in my PayPal account, which is linked to this profile, so that's why it's showing me the balance of my PayPal account. Okay, so here I have to select which account I actually want the money to be transferred to. So I have two accounts that are here, but the one is the FNB one and the non-FNB one is the Time Bank. So I will select the Time Bank, and then the amounts that I want to draw is the $3. And then on the reason for transaction, please select gift, because it will help you in terms of your taxes. So if you receive a gift, you don't pay tax on the amounts that you receive. Okay, and then once you've done all that, you will go to get code. So on the code, it will show you how much is the exchange rate that the amount will be converted by. So as you can see, it's 13.95 currently, and then the commission is 1.5 1.51, and then the amounts that you're actually going to receive is 41.23 after the commission of 63 cents. Okay, and once you are satisfied with that, you want to continue. You will press continue, and then it will just ask you to confirm the details, obviously the amounts that you're withdrawing and the bank account for which they would have to transfer the amount to. And then you will just click on all of these to say you agree to the terms and conditions, and the information that you supplied is correct, and then you just press confirm. So when you confirm, it will take you directly to your PayPal account, and then you will have to log in to your PayPal and authorize the amount to be deducted. Okay, it's taking up. Okay, there we go. And so what I will say here is that pay now, but because I've already linked everything and I don't need to log in and put in my username and password for my PayPal, so I'll just say pay now, and then it will authorize FNB to actually deduct from my PayPal. And then once we are done, we just wait for it to confirm that it was done and it was successful. Okay, my code has expired. So I'll just click on pay now, and then you wait for it to be processed and once it is successful, it will tell you. So we just wait for the confirmation to say it was successful. Alright, your transaction has been submitted for processing. So everything is done, and that's basically how you withdraw from FNB using so that's basically how you withdraw using your FNB profile to your non-South African bank account. And then the amount will take about 2 business days for you to receive it. I know that they say it takes 5 to 8 days, but it's usually quicker than that. And once you have done all that, you say finish, and then you are done. Okay, as you can see here, it says pending because it hasn't been completed yet. So yeah, that's it for today. If you have any questions or any queries, or you need guidance in any of the steps that are before this actual step, please do comment, and I will gladly do another video in order to assist. But for today, that is it. Thank you so much.